Hello everyone. If you are a learner and you want to learn speaking English and you are searching the ways that could improve your speaking English, but you are unable to find those ways, so here I want to tell you, I want to share my experience with you that when I was a beginner and I have tried so many ways to practice and speak English, but I couldn't find those ways to that could improve my speaking English. So one day I was sitting in my room and I was scrolling my phone. I was scrolling all the applications and suddenly I found the recorder of my phone and I started recording my voice and that time I was talking. That time I was recording randomly. I was speaking randomly. There was don't I do not have any particular topic. So after recording, I listened my recorded audio, and I found that I made a lot of mistakes in that audio, and I thought that I should record my voice again, and then I started recording again. This time I chose one topic and I spoke on that topic for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, after finishing my topic, I listened that audio recording again, and you will not believe that this time I have improved a lot. Then I thought that I should record my voice again to practicing in a better way. So then I started again and again to record my voice, and I was completely free to talk on the recorder of my phone. So I found recording is the best way to improve your speaking English. Recording is the best way to practicing speaking English. Why recording is the best way to practicing speaking English? Because when you record your voice, there is no one to judge you. There is no one to point out your mistakes, and you are yourself to judge you. You are yourself to point out your mistakes and correct your mistakes. So you are completely free while recording your voice on your phone. This is how you can improve your speaking English. And one thing I want to add in this, that you can write simple sentences, and you can write your topic, and you can write grammar structures, and you can write a Hindi sentence, and trans and you can translate that sentence in English, and you when you write the sentence in your notebook, and you write it again and again and again and again, and then you improved a lot. And after writing, you practice that sentence uh, that you practice that sentence in speaking, and you start recording that sentence while speaking. uh, so this is how you can practice in a better ways, and this is how you can practice in a better ways, and you can improve. This is how you can improve your speaking English. So recording is the best way. So start recording your voice. Of and one more important thing, that English speaking has two parts, and one part is speaking, and the second part is grammar. And you should spend more time on speaking, and rather than practicing grammar. I am not saying that grammar is not important, and grammar is only 20% of the part of English speaking, and the most important part of English speaking is speaking. So start speaking even when you are making mistakes, even when people making fun of you. Don't stop speaking. Start speaking. Make mistakes, and try to improve those mistakes. Don't stop speaking, and keep speaking, and keep concentrating in English. This is how you can improve your speaking English, and this is how you can learn speaking English.